Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare Matar puris stuffed with green peas. So the ingredients required to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken half a kilo of green peas and I have boiled them, just boiled them. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Here I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, black pepper powder. This is half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. This is half a teaspoon of sugar. This is lukewarm water to knead the dough. Salt as per our taste, and we'll be frying in the oil. So oil. So the first step that we have to do to prepare this recipe is we will take the boiled green peas and we will mash it. You can use a masher to mash it. We'll just mash it roughly. Now friends, we will heat half tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is heated we will add the cumin seeds. Splatter. Then we are going to add the mashed green peas. While adding the mashed green peas, please make sure the flame is low. We'll add the black pepper powder, salt. We'll add a little bit of salt. Friends, I would like to keep it simple just to get the flavor of the green peas. So I'm only adding this. If you want, you can add garam masala to this recipe right now in this. So I'm going to fry this for 2 minutes over a medium flame till it starts leaving the sides. Now friends, this mixture is ready. I have increased the flame after 2 minutes and cooked on high flame for a minute, and as you can see, it has become nice and it has started leaving the sides. So the mixture is ready. Now I will transfer this to the bowl. So put off the flame and transfer it to the bowl. Here is the mixture. So I will keep this peas mixture aside now. Let it get cool. Meanwhile, I have to knead a dough. So I will take a vessel. I will add the whole wheat flour. I will add the all-purpose flour. Sugar. Salt little bit. Friends, we have already added salt to the mixture. So little bit of salt. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll mix it. Mix it nicely. And then I will add this lukewarm water little by little and will knead it into a dough for the puris. Now friends, as you can see, our dough is ready. I will make small balls for puris. Roll it and then I'll make it flat. And from the sides I'll start pressing. The sides should be thin. As you can see, like this. And now we will add the peas mixture to this. Friends, if you like green chilies, if you want it to be spicy, you can add green chili and boil it along with the green peas. Now we will seal it up and again roll. So the roll is ready. We'll sprinkle a little bit of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and we'll keep the balls ready. So I'll continue the process with the remaining flour. So friends, here I have stuffed all these balls with the green peas mixture, and now I'm going to roll the puris out. Ball, I have rolled it in maida or all-purpose flour, and then now I'm going to roll it. Gently roll, friends. As you can see, if you look properly, you will see that the green peas, the mixture has been spread evenly. So friends, here I have rolled out all the puris, as you can see, and if you fold the dough the way I have showed you after adding the mixture, see, it will spread. The mixture will spread in all the corners and evenly. Meanwhile, I am heating oil to fry the puris. So I'll add the puri. Now we'll turn the puri to the other side. So now this puri is fried perfectly. I will take it out. I will again add the next puri. Change it, flip it. The same way, friends, I will fry all the puris now. Here is our nice, fluffy, stuffed green peas puri or kachori ready. Savor it hot, serve it hot with potato curry or green chutney. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.